Welcome. This is the Yes, Yes, Yes seminar. Okay, let's do a quick review. Yes, I can see the trend. Yes, I can see the target, or not see the target, but I can see other good stuff. And yes, I can see the tight risk entry. Okay, let's take a look at what this really means. Well, first of all, a couple of things. In order to have a yes, 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 what we pretty much are looking for is a J2 plus. Okay, let me show you what I mean. If this is a major pivot, J, this is J plus 1, and this is J plus 2, so we're looking for something that comes after J plus 2. Okay, and with perfect 20/20 hindsight, we can draw the median line from J to J plus 1 and then down to J plus 2, and we can see that prices closed past the parallel. Okay, this is one of the things that often happens at a J minus 1, suggesting this might be a J down here, okay, after it breaks new lows. Okay, so if you get it one of these closes beyond, it disqualifies it, all right? Okay, that's what you need. That's the first thing you need to know. So, you can look up here and say, well, is this a pivot 2? You can, all those fun kind of things. But very importantly, if you have this close beyond, just leave it alone. Okay, that's a disqualifier. Let's see another example of that disqualifier. Oh, we can see here prices, boom, close down here. So this is not a qualified one, right? Okay. So let's take a look at just for grins. Boom, close beyond. Now this is, I mean, you're going to miss out on some really spectacular trades with this. However, this is the qualifier, okay? Okay, so, Miguel, actually, if you'd done it properly, but it makes no difference, it still winds up being the same kind of thing. So anyway, so over here you have a disqualifier, but now as we come over here, let's see how this works. You draw your lines, and look at this. Prices go up, and they come back down, and they typically will stop in the area of the MLH. Maybe poke their heads through a little bit, maybe not. But this is what happens. And so this winds up being, if prices can't close below this H here, yes. So, and the other things we're going to be just looking at is for grins here, is you want to see prices have definitely zoomed through the trend lines and several closes beyond and coming back down to it for some kind of support. Now, as a perfect support point, it ain't there, but it gives you an idea as to the area. Okay, and one of the things you can see is just for grins, you can draw the median line, and quite often when it comes down, it won't make it to that median line, right? So what's your target? Well, it's far away, relatively speaking. Let's take a look. If you draw your major ML, okay, your major ML is up here somewhere, so your target's up here. Okay. Now remember, if prices do come down, go up and break this H here, actually if they break this H before they make new highs here, they close below it, then as prices come back up, it's probably a good time to walk away from this guy. All right? But I went long down here somewhere, and I've got my pretty tight risk in there, and That's where it's at. This doesn't look, this is not a uh, uh, one of these blue sky trades, you know, can make you rich overnight. These are these are nice. They don't, there's not a ton and a half of them, but there's enough to keep things interesting. Okay. Okay, so much. Let's see another yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's see. Here's another yes, yes, yes. I did. I did this one here. This guy. Look at this guy. 0, 1, 2. Okay. They went up there and they made it. Okay, but notice when they came down, and this guy. Notice when they came down, they didn't go past the MLH. And it really doesn't matter which one you draw or close below it. See, comes right down to it but doesn't close below it. Really nice. So what do you have as some kind of a target? Oh, probably up here somewhere. Okay, or you could use this as a temporary target, depending on how you want to do it. But it gives you something to look for in terms of short-term trades that have real good probability. They're obviously with the trend, and they give you a nice tight risk entry. Okay, let's see if we can see another. Yeah, but you really do want to look at this area down here and see that you really had that this was truly a J, and this was another J, a J plus 1, a J plus 2. So this is your major, your pivot 1, your pivot 2, and the things that typically occur to pivot 1, a pivot 2, make sure they really did occur there, and this way it helps you validate it. All right. Anyway, I thank you for your time, and see you next time.